Hi guys, I am Piyush Tripathi from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and I am a final year student of MBA in Pharmaceutical Management at IHMR University. I have completed my B Pharm from Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, Jaipur, and started working as a quality control assistant in ISPA Pharmaceuticals, Lucknow. And I have also worked as a clinical research coordinator in Medanta, the Medicity Hospital, Gurgaon. The time I was working in Medanta, I met some managers who did their MBA from IHMR, and very sincerely they suggested this B school for my further studies. So I prepared for CAT, and based on my CAT score and plus experience, I got selected in IHMR University. No doubt at all that IHMR University is one of the best universities in India for pharmaceutical and healthcare sector. And when I talk about the scope of MBA in pharmaceutical management, multi-million industry, the pharma industry always require a well-trained managers in their domain, such as sales and marketing, business development, and consultancies, market research, etc. So this university provides a beautiful platform to study business and make you able to deliver your creativity and skills for the pharmaceutical industry. I learned actually a gamut of things, but not only from my teachers, while from my colleagues as well. I think IHMR campus has everything to work and fun. IHMR also conducts seminars, workshops, conferences, industrial tours for students. I loved its beautiful architecture the most actually. People say that most anything is possible because of with the self discipline. So I think staying present in the classroom even with the closed eyes would lead to self discipline for sure. And so there are strict rules of compulsory attendance at lectures in IHMR University. IHMR helped me to get the chance of campus placement, and I got selected in Gujarat Medical Services Corporation Limited. And GMSCL is an autonomous body under the Health and Family Welfare Government of Gujarat for systemic procurement and inventory management of the medicines. I am so grateful to all the faculty here to have me a right direction to prepare for such a good organization. I am extremely thankful, especially to Dr. Sandeep Narula, who is an associate professor in IHMR. He supported me a lot, I mean a lot. Not only during my entire journey in the campus, not only at the time of placement, while also in the summer internship. So finally, I will definitely and highly recommend this B school, IHMR, to those students who want their brilliant career in pharmaceutical industry. Thank you.